Okay, here is the final print of this game. This is one of the prints that was printed in mass, so this is pretty much what you'll get. I took off the shrink wrap already, because who wants to watch me open up shrink wrap box? But there's all sides of it. There's the top. It's magnetic, which is pretty cool. So this little flap is magnetic. That opens, and there's a backseat. Welcome. And then everything fits in the box beautifully. I really love how all the components fit in this box. I don't want to open everything quite yet as far as like all the plastic, but this is a resealable bag, which is kind of cool. All of the cards, character cards, they're nice and thick. This is the blank one that people asked for. And then we've got our maps, map tiles, and the book, the instruction booklet that comes with it. Looks really good. Sorry, it's hard to do with one hand. This has one adventure in it, and all the instructions that the beginner GM needs to take them through. And then all the action cards are here. All the dice, the health trackers, and then there was even an extra bag in here, which is kind of cool. Yeah, a couple extra bags. So yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out.